That's huge. That is a biggie. It's out of here.
Oh my goodness. My goodness.
Oh, it's crunched it.
He hasn't got hold of it, or has he?
And would you believe it? Really, would you believe that?
He just has the ultimate confidence.
Oh, no way! No way! You cannot do that.
Okay.
It didn't come.
ఇంటికి వెళ్ళడానికా? రే ఆగు, నువ్వు కూర్చో కాసేపు. అయిపోయింది, ఇంకా 3 balls. వావ్! Two balls, 4 runs. One ball, 4 runs. This ball should be a tight ball. Come on, Jana. Hey, stop it. Yeah. Yes. Hey, come on. You won. Jana will be man of the match, man of the series also. All teammates. Teammates are lifting Jana.
Break the partnership, and all of a sudden the team is twisted towards the GDC, and GDC played absolute display, an absolute bowling display. After that, GDC is a one in a grand style. What a game today, what a game finish. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an absolutely brilliant contest today. GDC played superb display, what a bowling innings they had. They had a tremendous amount of power for that.
Want to go?
That's the area. That's the area.
Again here, one even, there's a chance, 1 ball, 4 runs. Yes, that's enough. What a game, man, what a finish. This was an absolutely brilliant display by the GDC. They started late. This is an outstanding game of cricket. As I said earlier, cricket is a funny game. You can't tell Yes, brother! Take the partnership and all of a sudden the goal is just to have the GDC and GDC players. GDC will win in a grand style. Race again today. Race again. Absolutely brilliant contest today. GDC played superb. Displaying water bowling winning the head. They had a tremendous set of players over. Tremendous result. Race again, Risk Takers. What a race! What a place!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no